Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix keyboard is not working on a Windows 10 after updating and how to fix this up. Most of you guys will be having this trouble, so we're going to talk about some of the possible two workarounds that you have to try, which is very simple and which is very helpful. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here in the bottom and you have to click on the start, and from here you have to click on settings. Now from here you have to navigate to right side where there is ease of access. You have to click on this, and now you have to navigate to left side and scroll down a little bit, and under interaction there is an option called keyboard which you have to select, and you have to scroll down a little bit, and there is use filter keys which you have to turn this off. You have to turn this off, and most probably the issue will be fixed. After turning this off it will be fixed. And once after that, after trying this, you have to do also, don't forget to do a restart on your PC, because then only it will be working fine. And after doing this, if it's not working, then we have another solution. So the solution is you just have to go here in this PC and you have to right click, and what you have to do is you just have to go to properties. From the properties you just have to go here and click on the device manager, and this will take you to device manager, and from here you have to just go a little bit and see that there is a drivers for the keyboard. As we all know, we just have to select this and update the drivers. You have to update the drivers, and also once after updating the driver, if it's not working, then you can uninstall the devices, and once after that you can go here in the top and go for update driver, so it will get automatically updated. So these are the two steps which you have to try out, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this will be helping you guys. And if you have any doubts after watching this video, or if you have find any kind of errors in our side, you have to let us know so that we can improve ourselves and make you, our subscribers, really helpful. So this is Shahin officially signing off on Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.